Hey guys, Dad here, and today we're going to be looking at our first ever Kinder Surprise eggs. Me and your mom are here in Scotland. We're going to be going to England soon, but I thought I'd try to stop by and find some surprise eggs. This is what the box looks like, so let's take a look at that first. There are, count them, 1, 2, focus, 3 eggs inside. Alright. So these aren't any specific Kinder eggs. They don't have a particular theme. So that makes it even more of a surprise when we get inside of them. I don't know what we're going to find. Maybe a monkey? Or a blue alien fish thing with water shooting or milk shooting out of its head? But anyway, that's a look at the box. There's lots of numbers and writing on them, but the main thing, it says Kinder Surprise. And look, this is why we can't bring them to the United States. It says warning. Let's see if it'll focus on it. There's a toy inside, small parts, adult supervision recommended. It'll kill babies from 0 to 3. I didn't say that, but you can't bring them to the United States because it's illegal. They would arrest me if I brought these back. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a video of each egg and we're gonna open them up and take a look and see what's inside, and then I get to eat the chocolate, yay! But I'll bring the toys home. Hopefully they'll let us bring those back. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna do one at a time and make a video for each one. Alright, we'll see y'all later.